Yo, what's up guys, it's Legend Horseburn. Today I'm back with another video, and as you can see, this is not gaming video, this is an unboxing video. I haven't do any unboxing for a while, man. That's a long time ago. So I bought this Enchen electric shaver. I bought it from AliExpress, but I have a problem with it, but the company is actually, the official page is actually refunding me that, and I really appreciate how they're refunding me. So yeah, without further ado, man, I know you guys searching for this electric shaver, and you guys just want to see the shaver, and you don't want to hear any unnecessary stuff from me. So yeah, I bought it, the black one. Okay, this one I bought it in local town for maybe like $15, but you can find like 12 or like 11 to 12 or 13 in the website. I will put a link down below, and I will put the official store so you guys can bought it from it. And I pretty love the seller when they actually refunding me all back the money. So this is the box. So they have one cardboard box outside. I don't know why they come with two boxes. I forgot to mention it. I already like opening this box already, but I'm not yet shaving it. So I just want to do the shaving on the camera for you guys. So this is the box, and as I said, I don't know why it comes with two boxes, but this is another box. This one is the white box. Okay, here. So the black one, I think the black one, they have this like brown Chinese letter on it, but the white one, it's just white and no brown letter on here. And so as you can see here, it said Boost, and at the back I have no idea because I don't actually know any Chinese, but it actually charges using USB turbo. I don't know what this is for, but the seller is actually telling me that per fully charged we can shave it for maybe we can keep it for maybe 16 days. That's pretty long for a shaver, man. So this is the box. So I'm opening it up, man. Let's get excited. Okay, and there's a menu, but I don't know if I can read any of this, so just keep it away. So under it we have this. Let me opening it up real quick. Boom. Okay, so what we have inside is, so what we have inside is a brush for this shaver, a lubricant. I mean, this lubricant is not yet opening, so they have this tip. So if you buy, just considering looking for this. Okay, lubricant, and USB Type C. It charged with USB Type C, and I think Enchen is the part brand of Xiaomi. So I hopefully this charger is pretty good. But if you buy a shaver, your actually goal is for a shaver, not for a charger. If you too picky about the about the USB charger, you are stupid. I mean, you are not stupid, because I know all of my viewer is genius. So, yeah, you can charge with any USB charger. Okay, let's keep it aside. And here is the shaver. Nothing special. Just pull it out. So here's the shaver. As you can see, I want to show you around. I have no idea with this. They actually come with this clip which I will show you in a moment. Here, side. Oh my god, look at that blade, man. I will put a slow motion videos. Okay, so here's the light. You see one light is popping up. I think the fully charged is two light. Okay, this is the side. And here, so they have I believe it's 3mm if you put it on it. This is what I like about this shaver. This shaver, we don't have to clip it on. It built in this, man. It actually easy. So I believe it. If I'm wrong, you can comment down. But they have number 3. I believe it's 3mm, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. Okay, so it have full. So if you want to, yeah, get it out, this is 0. See, it actually shaving really well. I believe I will shave it in a moment. In future for you. Okay. So what I like about this blade is, the blade is staying still. See, you see, the blade is staying still. This is the blade, you know, and what it move is this plastic thing. So when the plastic.
Oh my god, English! It's kind of weird.
It's really hard with the vocabulary. This plastic thing is rotating, is shaking. So this plastic thing is actually going to drive your hair into that blade. So it cut. So this thing is preventing me from cutting. As I use a lot of shaver. Some of the shaver, the blade is shaking, but no, this one, the blade is staying still, and this plastic white thing is shaking. So it drive, as I said, it drive your hair into the blade. So, and this is really easy to pop up, and you can buy a new one. Just see, just pushing it and pop up, and when you put it back, it's also not that hard. You just line down, and you just clip it. See? One thing that I really want to show you guys and tell you guys about this. Don't be confused how to put this one back in. You might put it like this and just don't give a damn, and trust me, this look easy, but sometimes it's hard to put inside. So I will show you.
Just do it!
First of all, you must laying this. First of all, you must putting this. You see this tip, okay? Put it inside. When you put it inside, now it's time for this locking mechanism inside. Okay, you lock it. Not locking. You put it inside, and you slide it down. The thing is, if you actually pushing up and you hear the sound. Wait, let me put it near the camera. The mic. See, if you're actually having this sound, you put it right, but if there is no sound, you put it wrong. I will shave my hand for you. Wait a minute. Okay, now let's do a shave test. So, as you see, this is my hair. This is my hair was I actually shave it in the moment, but I forgot to hit the record button, so I'm stuck. So here, I want to put it on number 3. Okay, it's number 3, and I'm gonna shave it, testing it for you. Let's see how it works. This is the weirdest unboxing ever. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, it's 3. It's still quite long, you know. So just remove it up, and I want to go with all these full things. First of all, I want to show you is shaving it against the way the hair is actually grown. So my hair grow it this way, I shave it in this way. Okay. You can see it by yourself, you can judge, but still some of my hair is not fully shaved, but this kind of did really good job. I hope. If you're actually having any other better shaver, and I don't know, but this is quite good for me. So another thing is I want to shave it the way that my hair grows. So my hair grows this way, and I will shave it in this way, okay? not really good with the way it grows. So let's let's go for another one with against it. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, man. This lens is actually really good. You cannot expect it to actually compete it with the full razor, like your razor like Gillette or any other razor that actually can shave your hair, because shaving your face with razor is actually going full, man. Like they going down and almost hit your skin. But if this is a shaver, man, so you shave it and it's not within it, you still have some length from the skin. So this is what I like. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I don't want to make it long, man. I don't want to make it too really damn long, but this is a good shaver, as I see a lot of reviews, because I haven't using it really much. But I see on the YouTube they actually have a lot of this shaver. It's actually good, and I believe this is what I'm happy about. Yeah, because I just shaving my face, and my face, if I actually shaving it with razor, I get cut most of it. I get a lot of cut, and I hate when shaving with razor. When the hair is growing back, I'm feeling itchy, so that's why I'm always going for the shaver. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for this shaver review. And I know it's kind of weird, I'm on a gaming channel and I actually doing a shaver review, but who knows, man. I see people get a lot of views from this shaver review. So yeah, so views equal money, view equal fame, man. And yeah, if you love this unboxing, if you love our review, just hit that subscribe button, man. Please, I need it. Please, I need it, guys. I need it. Like and comment down, and if you really want to have any question just about this shave, just comment down below and I will happily to reply every single freaking beautiful person that comment down below. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hopefully I see you guys in the next video, man. And I don't know when I will do unboxing review again, but just subscribe, man. When I do any other new unboxing video, and you will see it. So if I don't upload any unboxing video, you can stick to my gaming channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.